Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and we're going to go through a fun haul. This is paper that our friend Mary and Eugene put together for me. She has an amazing garage sale. I didn't make it this year. I did tell some of you, but Eugene, Oregon, I think it was probably in September. You can ask me next year and I'll tell you when it's coming or whatever. I have not actually ever made it to the sale, but the year before, Noni and I bought $50 worth of leftovers, and you should see how much stuff Noni got today. Sorry about the noise. The kittens are super excited for the bag this came in, so big shout out to Mary for the paper bag for the kittens. They think it's like the best present ever. Let me show you just a glimpse, because I don't want you to think that at the garage sale it would only be this stuff. Mary has amazing taste, and her and Noni are like kindred spirits of like Alta New and beautiful fonts and gorgeous florals. And these are two things that I snagged because I want to use them today out of the stuff that Noni got. Everyone must take time to sit and watch the leaves turn, Elizabeth Lawrence. And then look at these. Now, mind you, Mary and Noni both love to color and ink and do amazing things. So I buy their lazy person stamps out of it, right? I don't have to color these. Just to give you two examples, they have amazing taste. Now, girls, we're going to have like kitten only videos or something. I don't know. There's a lot of action here. So I just took the stuff out of the bag. Ooh, we've got some fun metallics. These might be kind of neat for, they're probably origami paper. They might be kind of neat for the gratitude journals today. So let's pull out a couple sheets of those, the ones I'm supposed to be working on, you know. Set those aside right now. This is probably a sheet of washi, is my guess. Ooh, no, it's vellum. Ooh, look at this one. It's pansies, Andrea. Purple pansies. Okay, then this is one of those 4x6 pads. Some of these are adhesive, too. I don't think this one is, just based on how the paper feels. But if you run across one of these, some of them are adhesive, and that's really nice for die cutting. Ooh, that's a good one. So I'll go through here, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what Andrea would do. I'm going to go through, and I'm going to say, this one, probably not for me. Am I going to keep that map one that we saw? Definitely. This one? Yes, for sure. Travel, vintage, all kinds of stuff. The butterflies? Yes. Did I think to make green and orange butterflies? No, but I like it. So we're not going to do all that on camera. Oh my gosh, look at these 6x6s with the layered embossed glitter on them. Oh, look at the cherry blossom one, Noni. You sure you don't want that one? Look at these. These are gorgeous. Really lovely. Kind of mixed media look. And just all sorts of 6x6s mixed in. Ooh, lots of good blue in there. See, like that, I'll probably put that in my neighborhood Facebook thing, right? For a little girl. Remember when owls were in everything? They're so cute for the fall journals, though, for gratitude. There's a bunch of them. Okay, so we have some of these. This looks like maybe Alta New or that other brand I can't think of right now. Sorry about the racket. It's just, you never know. Sometimes they're going to sleep. Sometimes they're, I'll show you what they're doing. How's the bag, girls? Big fun? Yep. Are we on a break now? Oh, you're such a cutie. Such a cutie. Yep. You just never know. Minute by minute, they might take a nap. Okay, that'd be great for gratitude. So I'll go through these. You know I'm probably not going to keep the pinks, but look at this. Somebody is going to love that. Pink polka dot. More pink polka dot. Just loose 6x6s that she was trying to clear out. Oh, these are cool. This would make a nice envelope, depending on how I fold it and lay it. It's a little bit on the thin side, and they'd be really nice in nature or vintage. I'll take all the pink and make someone very happy with a pink stack. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, this one has glitter on it. It almost looks like that's what I was thinking. What's her name? You know what her name is. Anne. Is it Anne? Anna. You know what her name is. These are cool. Look at these. Okay, the color isn't great, but the florals are so great. You gotta love them. keep forgetting to look at the backs too. This would be really fun for the Alice in Wonderland stuff I have. All sorts of good stuff. This looks like origami paper. Well, maybe it's cut down to this. Nope, it's something else. It's a metallic, and I think it's adhesive. We'll set that aside. It's interesting. These are sort of a sheen, not a matte. So definitely a different brand, you know. Some brands have a sheen, some don't. These are like fun for kids' birthdays. So many different styles in here. Ooh, I like that one. With the blue and the red. Is it pink? I don't know. It's cute. Okay, 3-piece suit. This looks like me. Paper tray ink. Yep. The blues and the grays. We got to save those. Oh, look at this. Persimmon basic gray. Oh my gosh. Hipster. How many are there? Persimmon has birds and stuff, I think. I'm not sure if the birds are still here, but touches of blue. And then hipster. It's more basic gray. I had this one in 12 by 12. I loved it. Urban Luxe. It has a lot of purple and navy. I mean, it has some pink too, but I like that one. See, and she's kind of picked through, like me, right? She probably pulled out the ones. Don't I already have? I think I have some of this. This is Gina K. Ooh, I don't know if mine is like this. Maybe it is. It's shiny. These are great for today. For gratitude journals. This would make a really nice envelope, I think. It's fairly thin. And you don't want directional papers for envelopes. I'm going to take all this stuff that's kind of the fallish, put it over here right now. Oh, here's another one. Autumn landscape. Yeah, I might have one of these. Loving these. So fun. Ooh, look at this one. Sunflowers on the bottom for Beth. That's cute. I don't know who made this paper. I've never seen it before. Yeah, more fall stuff. It's great. Ooh, look at that one. It's not totally fallish, but it's cool. Put it in my blue goodness pile. Look at this. Little kids' birthday cards, I think, for sure. Yes. I'm going to set those aside. That's a little kid's. This almost looks like, is it Christmas lights or leaves? I don't know. Does it go in this one? Did it come out of... I don't know. It's good. Okay, now they're wrestling behind me. This is Cosmo Cricket. This will be great for school cards. Pencils, Scantrons, and paper airplanes flying around. There's some cassette tapes. So I'll put that in the school stuff and keep it for sure. Let It Shine. Stars. Oh my gosh. These are adorable. Love it. Rain. Ooh, look at this. Leaves. Hearts, hearts, hearts. You know, hearts aren't. Those aren't the ones that speak to me. Oh, this is like that other one that I said over here. Oh, that's pretty. I mean, it is pink, but it's pretty. Look at this one. I don't know who made that one. Butterflies and pretty flowers. Like that one. The touch of blue. We got to put those. Oh, yeah. It's like a collection that all goes together here. Or it came together because the finish feels the same. Strawberries, other fruits, swirlies. So the thing about printed paper for somebody like Mary or Noni is they don't use much of it because they make such gorgeous cards. They don't layer up printed paper because they're using their stencils and their inking and gorgeous coloring. So they just, ooh, that's a good one too. They just don't use it. You know what I mean? And so then they give it away to people like me who do use it. Oh, these would be great for Christmas. I mean, 4th of July too, but I think I'll put those in Christmas. Some beachy. I do not need any more beachy though. I got a stash. Oh my gosh. So much. When I went through all the stamp sets and dies that Noni brought home, I was tired. I probably shouldn't have tried to do this right after I got home. Okay, these are really, really cutesy, little kiddish, right? Probably not for me. Oh, maybe the quilty one. I don't know. I don't think so. Probably put those over here. Then what's going on here? Really cutesy. Oh, that's fun, though. Celebrate, you are one of a kind. I like the purples on the back. Gonna have to study this a little more and see what's going on here. There's some good stuff. It goes from like really bright kids colors to this. I think this is some kind of neutrals pad. Yeah, from Altenew, a bunch of neutrals. Maybe they were too neutral and Mary didn't want them. Sometimes it's good stuff. You end up with too much of it. Or maybe you used a lot of it and you're sick of it. I mean, and different patterns speak to different people. Look at all this. Oh, there's if I want to make Halloween stuff. Let's be honest. It's the 21st. It's probably not going to happen, just like every other year. Okay, definitely basic gray. We're keeping those for sure. Let's see what's in here. On the menu. Ooh, I don't know whose pad of paper this is, but I love it. It almost looks like Vicky Boutin. I like this one. Yeah, got to keep that. Travel is my therapy. I'm supposed to be, well, I think I might be ready to film the travel journals. I'm not quite sure yet. Let me get you zoomed in a little more. We'll turn this so you can see it better. But I'm supposed to be working on gratitude now. These are like Noni's favorite colors right here. Like the peachy and the green. Seems like a pad that all came together because it definitely goes together. It's not bad. It's just, am I excited to use it? Probably not, right? That's how sometimes you have to decide if it's going to sit around. You could give it to somebody who it's going to bring them more joy. Same here. If I had a shortage of paper, or if I was starting out, I would keep all of these. I mean, there's no bad ones in here. I like this lined one for a journal. What was on the back of it? Branches on a tree. Family tree. Okay, there's some stuff in there I want to pull out. Be different. This is Fancy Pants. I bought some of their paper. Okay, I better keep this. This would be really good for boys or masculine birthday cards, wouldn't it? Apple cider pad. Hey, Kathy, didn't you use this recently? Was it apple cider? I think somebody used this, and I was like, hey, that's really cute. Oh, yeah. Keeping this one for sure. Maybe this is my smash for the month. Ooh, maybe. Ooh, look at this one. A bow bunny. This is very fallish, too. Ooh, love it. See, sometimes people give us stuff that you can't go out and buy it today, or you didn't know to look for it. I don't remember this collection. I like it. Okay, this is brown butterflies and something else. A lot of brown. There's some alphabet ones I would want to keep for school cards for sure. And fall. So I think I'll put this here. Another fallish bow bunny. Oh, with words and a lot of vintage or sheet music and vintage looking. Oh, yeah. This might help me finish up my travel journals. If I was short on journaling cards, I could cut some out or make some tags, ink the edges, and keep those for sure. Hearts, purple grid. There's some stuff in there I might need. Okay. Cosmo Cricket Joyride. This looks like little kids, maybe, and dogs. Not sure. It didn't seem very... Oh, there's some. I think the numbers I might keep for the school ones. The colors are a little odd for the rest of the papers I have for school, but still. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Victoria Garden. I think I had this, but like in a different color scheme. Is that possible? Pink. See, that's cute. I don't think I'll use it. Hello Pastel. It's a Prima. Oh, this is going to make somebody very, 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 very happy, aren't they? Look at it. It's a cool pad, too. So 6x6. And then a bunch of embellishments you can cut out. I mean, it'll take some time, but they're there. And then strips to decorate with. Really cool pad. She says, putting it in the nope. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Oh, here's a fun one. This is Kaiser Craft. And they do this thing where you have embellishments in the back. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy just for you. I'm going to set this in the fall journal because there's stuff in there that'll work. Mini deck garden variety. Oh, vegetables. This might be fun for the... Yeah, this would make some fun journaling cards for that kitchen recipe-ish journal I'm working on. I'm just going to shove it right in there. I'm not sure how the colors work, but I'm going to try it. There's probably at least a few in there that will work. They call this nautical, but it looks like a lot of variety to me. Yeah, a lot of good stuff in here. Let's keep this one and look at it. Indie from my mind's eye. Indie chic. Oh, yeah. Kind of grungy fun. Got to keep that. Cut and paste my mind's eye. I bought a lot of my mind's eye over the years. Yep. Remember Kaisercraft? Oh, it's all travel. Oh, yeah. This is super cool. I got to set this one out for like my... I should probably use that to finish stuff up. Patterns and coordinating theme. I don't know these. I'm not familiar with these. They're from Waffle Flower. These would make good journal cards, right? Because you could cut this size. I think I like those. Special delivery. Special delivery. Envelope-y. I like the blue. We got to take the blue off of there. Keep that. And then it probably goes with the rest of this. Oh, that's cute. It says Happy Mail all over it and looks like postage stamps. Happy Mail. Let's be honest. When I send you Happy Mail, it's not that cute. Half the time when I sell something on Etsy, I forget to put a card in there. I mean, I don't have a printer. It's not a classy thing. But, you know, I'm a recycler, so I think it's okay. All this stuff is fun looking. I might want to keep this red and green one at the back. I mean, it's very Christmassy. I don't know if there's more. I'm not a rainbow girl. I'm just not. And I think you have to look at the paper. I know some of you are just horrified because I take stuff out and then I donate the rest. But look at it and say, what will I use and what won't I use? Okay, we went through all the stacks. Like, Mary was honest with herself about what she would use. And then I'm going to go through and be honest with myself. And then it's probably time for me to put in my no-buy Facebook group, probably put hey, is there a preteen girl that wants some stuff? Because the kittens are playing in the other pile. It looks like there was some sort of shred incident in the front room. All right. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. I need to get back to the fall journals and look at all this goodness for them. So much good stuff. Thank you so much, Mary. And we're going to try and help you recruit better for your garage sale next year because the paper crafters and the card makers are not showing up at her garage sale, you guys. And oh my gosh, you are missing out. I'm telling you, this is nothing compared to what was at her garage sale. You should see the piles Noni has. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure you're taking great care of yourself, and I'll be back again soon. Bye-bye.